channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you what I use on my face to tighten and firm my skin, to lift my cheekbones, and also to clear my skin of hyperpigmentation. This remedy is all natural and I'm using just simple basic ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. These ingredients, however, when combined, create a very powerful homemade facial mask. So if you're looking for a quick and easy homemade remedy that's going to help to lift and firm your skin while getting rid of the wrinkles and fine lines and also clearing your skin of hyperpigmentation, follow me to the kitchen and I'll show you what I use on my skin so that you could try it on your skin.
Our first ingredient is potato, and I'm using Irish potato. Potato contains an enzyme called catecholase, which helps to brighten skin and get rid of dark spots. You can even use potato juice to lessen the appearance of dark circles. Potatoes are also anti-aging and can gently exfoliate your skin. It can help your skin to look radiant and glowing and clear from spots and blemishes. So the first thing I'm going to do with the potato, I'm going to peel the potato since I'm going to be grating. Now if you do not have a grater, you can choose to blend the potato. So I'm grating one medium potato. And take a look at this. Here we have our grated potato. The next thing I'm going to do with this potato, I am going to extract the potato juice. To extract the juice, I'm going to be using a strainer. If you blend the potato, go ahead and strain the potato also. So now that we have it in the strainer, I'm just going to press on it with a spoon and extract the juice. Now take a look. Here I have the fresh potato juice, and what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to put it to the side to settle. What we're trying to get from the potato juice is the potato starch, so you need to let it settle so that the starch can be settled at the bottom while the rest of the juice is on the top. Now this is going to take about an hour or so. After about an hour, take a look. This is exactly how you want it to be. Notice the juice is on the top and at the bottom we have the white stuff, and that is the potato starch. Now to get the potato starch, what you will need to do is to slowly strain the potato juice off. Like I'm showing here, just slowly strain it. And in spite of the fact that the potato juice do have a bit of a brownish color, take a look at how white the potato starch is. So what I'm going to do, I'm skimming off the excess potato water. And now what I'm left with is fresh potato starch. Now guys, the potato starch is amazing to use on the skin. You can use this directly on your skin to tighten and firm the skin and also to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation. You can also choose to double up on the amount of potato if you want to make more potato starch, and you can make this and keep it in your refrigerator for up to 7 to 10 days. Now that we have our potato starch ready, I'm going to put it to the side and let's move on to our next ingredient, which is lemon. Lemon is also another amazing ingredient to use on the skin since it is loaded with the antioxidant vitamin C. Vitamin C will help to clear the skin of dark spots and blemishes. It also has strong antioxidant properties that will boost the collagen production in the skin. Using a lot of vitamin C on your skin will help your skin to look much clearer, much brighter, with a fresh, younger look. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut the lemon in two halves since I'm only going to be using a half of a lemon. And now we are going to extract our fresh lemon juice. If you do not have fresh lemon, you can choose to use a bit of a store-bought lemon juice in this recipe. So we're going to squeeze our lemon juice in a bowl, and once this is done, you're going to make sure to extract the seeds and take a look at this. There we have our fresh lemon juice. Now that that is out of the way, let's reach back for our potato starch and take a look at this. As you can see, the potato starch is still looking amazing. So what we're going to do, we are going to use 2 teaspoons of the freshly squeezed lemon juice, and we're going to pour this over our potato starch. And this is what we are going to blend, and we're going to blend the potato starch and the lemon juice together. We're going to introduce another skin brightening ingredient and take a look at what I have here. Here I have some turmeric powder. Now turmeric powder is amazing for the skin and a whole overall health. However, when you use it topically on the skin, it will help to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation such as dark spots and blemishes and acne scars. Also, if you have mature skin, turmeric will help to get rid of all those age spots and blemishes on the skin. And once used on a regular, it will have your skin looking younger and clearer in no time. So a little of the turmeric powder goes a long way. You really do not need a lot. So I'm using like about a half a teaspoon in this recipe. And now we are going to pour this in, and before we go, guys, we're going to add another ingredient to this. Here I have some coconut oil, and we're using the coconut oil for its moisturizing properties. Coconut oil, when mixed with all these amazing skin brightening ingredients, will help to neutralize all that acid and keep your skin just looking soft, supple, and hydrated. So I'm going to be using a half a teaspoon of the coconut oil, and I'm just going to pour this in with the rest of the ingredient, and now we're going to mix, and we're going to mix well. So just keep mixing until everything is totally blended together. You can also choose to put this in the blender and blend. It will come out a little bit more creamier. However, you don't have to if you have a little minutes to spare. So just mix and mix well. And now here we have our potato turmeric skin firming, skin brightening facial mask. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go on the other side and show you how to use it on your skin for best result. So here we have our face mask, guys, and I suggest that you apply this to clean skin. I like to use a brush to apply. However, you can choose to use your hands. So what I like to do, I like to give it a little stir to mix it before I apply it on my skin, and then I apply it in circular motion on my skin with the brush. What I'm basically doing is exfoliating my skin while applying the facial mask. Now this is going to take about a minute or two, so just keep exfoliating, and the beauty about this facial mask is that when you exfoliate, you're getting a double whammy from it. It is also getting rid of the dead skin cells from the surface of your skin. This is what is going to help to unclog those pores, and this is also what is going to help to get rid of old scars and blemishes. So now once you finish applying the mask, also guys, take a look at my under eyes. You can choose to use this under your eyes to get rid of dark under eye circles. So once you're done, you're going to sit with this on your skin for at least 30 minutes. What is going to happen after 30 minutes to your skin is that the mask is going to dry on the skin. It's going to dry so your skin is touchable, and your skin is going to feel tight, but it's going to look amazing. Now what you're going to do, you are going to rinse this off, preferably with some cold water, and take your time when rinsing this mask off. Do not tug at your skin, just let the water beat on your skin. Once you're done, your skin is going to feel like velvet. It's going to look clean, it's going to look clear, and you're going to get a wonderful natural glow to the skin. So go ahead and apply your favorite beauty products to the skin. Use the mask at least 2 to 3 times per week for best result.
So there you have it. What are you waiting for? Go ahead, give it a try. Don't just watch, give it a try. Use it for a couple of weeks and come back and leave a comment. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.